GPS is not yet tracking. Go outside to get better GPS signals.
Outside, it's raining. No, it's not. No, it's okay. Don't have to worry, do we? No. It's okay.
GPS is not yet tracking. Go outside to get better GPS
Like
signals.
thundery rain coming. So, this is the MicroMite.
GPS is not yet tracking. Go outside to get better GPS signals.
That's Royd's board number 1. Board number 2 is in the boat. So this was the first one. Just to check that it works.
GPS time is 13:18 and 07 seconds. Moving northwest at 0.1 knots. GPS heading is
Better check that is the time in GMT.
right by 29.
Yeah, according to my watch. 13:18.
11.6 kilometers at 349 degrees.
Right, let's move slowly that way. See if the rudder moves to the
GPS
left.
time is 13:18 and 30 seconds. Moving south at 0.8 knots. GPS heading is 135 degrees.
Says we're
Steer
moving.
left by 146.
It said moving south. It may be the GPS was just starting to track.
Steer left by 106.
Yeah, it's steering
We
the
are at
right way.
Waypoint. Changing target destination to back garden.
Ah, it said changing the target destination to back garden because we went within the waypoint box of this position. So let's go that way. And it should say turn to our
Target
right.
is back garden 41 meters at 265 degrees to our west.
Turn right it should do.
GPS time is 13:19 and 12 seconds. Moving south at 1.3 knots. GPS heading is 135 degrees. Steer right by 119. We are at Waypoint. Changing target destination to back garden.
Yeah, it still says, the GPS is wandering around a bit. It says, thinks we're near that waypoint. Anyhow, let's go back the other way. And it should steer,
Steer right by 83.
right, that was from our movement just then. It should now steer to the left.
Steer left by 176.
176 sounds right, ballpark. Still should keep steering left. Main thing is the rudder delay is much shorter now,
Steer left by 135.
so it just holds it over for a second. That's because
Steer
we're
left by 130.
going fairly fast.
Steer left by 124.
Now if we
Target is
stop,
back garden 42 meters at 266
it should
degrees to our west.
hold it over longer because the boat would be travelling slower through the water, and therefore you need to hold it over longer.
22 seconds. Not moving.
Not moving, that sounds right. Rudder could go off in any
Steer left
direction.
by 125.
Yeah, that could have been held over a bit longer.
Steer left by 127.
And it should steer right when we go this way, in which case that'll do for this test before it rains.
Steer right by 108.
Yes. Yeah, so it's doing the right thing. And hopefully now, if that same software is popped into the MicroMite computer on the boat, then, which you'll see in a moment, then next time we pop it in the water at Bray Lake, it should work a lot better.
Steer right by 48.
So, into
We
the
are in Waypoint.
tidy workshop.
Changing target destination to Robin Square.
Right, and oh, not that one. That's an even smaller. So, the MicroMite is in
Steer left by 169.
in this boat. So,
21 meters at 84 degrees.
all I've got to do is load the software into the other MicroMite.
Snoopy's MicroMite autopilot. The MicroMite computer is Australian. 21 and 36 seconds. Moving southwest
So,
at
just a
0.9
straightforward
knots.
software loading
GPS heading is
and a bit more checking, and then they'll be worth testing on the water. Right, that's Roy's MicroMite on his board number 1, the prototype, which all works, and we're using it for testing before we load the software into the MicroMite. And when we got the software working right,
This is Snoopy's MicroMite autopilot. The MicroMite computer is Australian.
it's Australian.
Snoopy's experimental MicroMite autopilot 2. Last software update was 14.15 on Friday the 18th of August 2017 UK time. Robin would like to thank all his ropey old friends, particularly Ron, for their help with the MicroMite.
Yeah, that's right. Right, we're about to do a test, or we've done a test.
The rudder servo. First center.
Just repeating it.
Left.
Waggling the servo.
Center.
Start a test.
Right.
Watched by Snoopy, of course.
Center.
And the new changes are timing of the rudder movement when it's running, and also time.
30, 24 and 40 seconds. Moving southwest at 1.5
30, 24 and
GPS
40
heading
seconds.
111 degrees.
That's
Steer right by
GMT.
148.
Local time is 14:24. So that's working. Unplug it. Go outside.
Steer right by 143.
Not sure where it's going to go. If I listen to it, it'll say.
Steer left by 173.
It'll say in a moment.
Steer left by 150. Target is Alpha 11.6 kilometers at 349 degrees.
Ah, that's Alpha. That's right. Alpha is out that way. That's at Bray Lake. So going that way.
GPS time is 13:25 and 31 seconds. Moving east at 1.6 knots. GPS heading is 100 degrees. Steer left by 111. Steer left by 120.
So if we turn round and go the other way, it should steer right.
Steer left by 113.
Might take a few seconds.
Target is Alpha 11.6 kilometers at 349 degrees. Tower north.
Oh, don't like the sound of that.
GPS time is 13:26 and 02 seconds. Moving northeast at 1.2 knots. GPS heading is 52 degrees. Steer left by 63.
Oh. I might have stopped testing at the moment,
Steer
I think.
left by 16.
Do it at a better time.
Steer right by 19. Target is Alpha 11.6 kilometers at 349 degrees. Tower north.
Right here, of course, is the boat for this year, rather than messing around with experimental stuff. Where's the rainbow? Off to the lake. But first we've got to use our Australian sat-nav, so how do we do that?
G'day, it's a great day for it. Stick with me and we'll be there before the first snags off the barbie.
So we're getting close to the entrance to Bray Lake Water Sports. Yeah, there we go. Welcome.
You have reached your destination. Windows up, grab those sunnies and don't let the seagulls steal your chips.
Great. Yeah, it looks like they've opened the barriers for us. Here we go, Bray Lake. Mind the cyclist. About to try out our usual spot, our base. So, Dick's parking his car. I'll park mine. Try not to bump into him. There we go. Good, eh? So, these guys are in charge. So that's Eric's boat 12, GPS logger, autopilot, but this has got the Australian MicroMite autopilot. So we'll see, this is the first time it's had a sail, and we're also going to put the video camera on that boat.
to a point where it's...
And that's been programmed just to go out to the first waypoint and back. Probably. Right, that's working then, is it? Is the video running, do you think? Oh, typical, he's got a phone call now. It's probably his wife chasing him up.
Yeah, I'm just on the bank on the lake side about to launch a boat.
He's about to launch a boat. Here we go. This is what you call multitasking. Right. We can probably listen in to what he's saying on the phone.
We are at waypoint. Changing target destination to Alpha.
Wherever you like, Dick. Right. There it goes. Right. There it goes. Is it going to go the right direction? Oh, no, it didn't.
Steer right by 152.
It's okay, Dick. I know where to go.
Target is Alpha 91 meters at 227 degrees to our southwest.
Is it going to go the right direction? Whoa, no, it didn't. Oh, hang on, no, he says, it's okay, Dick, I know where to go. There you go. What are you panicking about, he says. There we go. Now, this is a first.
She tried for 3:30 to start with, then she couldn't get it that early. So I'm quite...
Come on. Right, we got an Australian nav system here. The MicroMite computer. This is the first time we've tried sailing it.